Hello everyone, my name is Manjit Singh and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'll be discussing about the news that Supreme Court says Nagaraj judgment already decided the policy for determining backwardness. There is no need to revisit it again. Now we'll be discussing about the fact. The Supreme Court has said that it will not deciding again the policy for determining backwardness, which had already been decided in the previous laid down judgment in case of M. Nagaraj and Jarnail Singh while hearing a bench of over 130 petition of implementations of reservation policy. The court said that we have already passed order on how to consider backwardness. We cannot prescribe policy further. If it is for the state to implement policy and not for us to prescribe. We are not going to decide on issue of Article 16 Clause 4 and Article 16 Clause 4A of the Constitution. The three-judge bench of the Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Sanjeev Khanna and B.R. Gavoi told Attorney General K.K. Venugopal that they will not reopen the issue already decided in the Nagaraj judgment. Venugopal has asked for the separation of issue applicable to the center and to the states. The Attorney General informed the court that 4100 promotions have been done on ad hoc basis subject to the outcome of the case with no reservation. Another 2500 posts have been standing vacant due to the status quo orders which are for regular promotions. He asks for the separation of issue applicable to the center and to the states. Senior advocate Indra Jaising, appearing for the petitioner, submitted to the court how would state decide as to which group are backward and shall establish the fact that the such representation is adequate which is provided by them. And at this, the bench also said that it's not for us to tell the government how to implement policies. Directions have been passed in the Nagaraj judgment that is for each state to finalize how they will implement these guidelines. Raising Jaising reply to the High Court are interfering with how the states are implementing. A ruling from this court is needed on what is considered advocacy in law. Senior advocate Rajiv Khanna submitted that this is not for first time that a large batch of cases have come before this court on the issue. Multiple states have came to the court. It can divide them into the batches and let them submit written submission. Supreme Court agreed and said the suggestion of Mr. Dhawan seems adequate to us. We can't divide the cases into batches. Further, it is the directed that within 4 weeks written submission be filed by the parties will all the precedent says are relying upon. And also Supreme Court said that the 2006 judgment of the Supreme Court M. Nagaraj and others versus Union of India upheld the validity of the Article 16 Clause 4A. A special provision which provide for the reservation for promotion only to the Supreme Court and SC/ST, and the government can provide reservation in promotions provided it is backed by the preserved reason such as proof of backwardness and inadequacy of the representation and to make sure that it does not affect the overall efficiency of administration. M. Nagaraj also held that the state should gather quantifiable data showing backwardness and such observation is in contravention of Indra Sawhney judgment which was passed by a 9 bench of the court. The constitution bench of 5 judges, however, expressed their opinion since Article 16 Clause 4 and had left for the state to make adequate representation in the post for promotion of Supreme Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribe category. On September 26, 2018, Constitution bench held by the CJI Deepak Misra, former Justice Kurian Joseph, former Justice R.F. Nariman, Justice Sanjay Krishna Kaul, and the former Justice Indu Malhotra reached the conclusion that the judgment in Nagaraj does not need to be referred to a seven-judge bench. Thank you. This was all about these current affair. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. Feel free to give your feedbacks on the video. Lastly, this video does not solicit any kinds of promotion as per the guidelines issued by the Bar Council of India. The sole purpose of this video is for the educational purpose only. Thank you.